This 10-year-old white Colorbond roof in Woolooware, in Sydney's Sutherland Shire, had been left for quite some time, and was about to have solar panels installed. Before the install, the owner wanted it professionally cleaned, and that was a great call. The roof was heavily contaminated with thick lichen and grime, some of it up to 130 mm across. Every square millimeter had to be carefully pressure washed, a very labor-intensive job, but we got it done. The difference was incredible. The dull grey surface transformed back to its original bright white finish. Unfortunately, the lichen had been there so long it had started eating into the coating, leaving faint circular marks. While not visible from the street, this kind of damage can actually void the roof's finish warranty, another reason why regular cleaning and biocide treatment is so important. We also cleaned and cleared all the gutters, making sure the roof is ready for both the next storm and the upcoming solar installation. No chemicals, no shortcuts, just professional results, done safely and to our normal high standard at a very reasonable price. Extra Hand Solar Clean, a mobile service proudly based in Miranda in the beautiful Sutherland Shire. Experts in solar panel cleaning, roof treatment to control algae and roof cleaning. Call 0403 555 570 for your free quote today.